I am from the USA. I am American. She is Mexican. He is Mexican. She is from Mexico. He is from Mexico. We are Canadian. They are Canadian. We are from Canada. They are from Canada. Good morning. Good afternoon. Good night. What's your name? I am Sam. Nice to meet you. Same here. How are you? I'm fine, thanks. How are you? I'm fine. I'm is I am. How is she? She's mad. She's is she is. How is he? He's scared. He's is he is. How are you guys? We're sad. We're is we are. How are they? They're excited. There is they are. Mom, Dad, brother, sister. Aunt, uncle, cousins. Grandpa, grandma, grandparents. Does she have a sister? No, she doesn't. Does he have a brother? Yes, he does. Do I have a brother? Yes, I do. Do we have grandparents? Yes, we do. I have a brown bear. He has a blue robot. I have a red scooter. She has a yellow scooter. I have a white dog. It has a green toy. I have a pink rabbit. They have a purple dog and an orange puppet. We have toys. Verbs show action. Regular past tense verbs end in ed. Irregular past tense verbs have different spellings. What did you do today? I got up. Got is an irregular verb. I ate breakfast. Ate is an irregular verb. I went to work. Went is an irregular verb. I made dinner. Made is an irregular verb. I watched TV. Watched is a regular verb. I exercised. Exercised is a regular verb. I washed my face. Washed is a regular verb. I went back to bed. And went is an irregular verb. How do you help at home? I do my homework. Dad does the dishes. Mom does the housework. He does a good job helping. We do it together. I make a smoothie. Mom makes breakfast. Dad makes sandwiches. He makes a joke. We make dinner together. Use this for something close to you, and use that for something not close. This is my parents' bedroom. That is my sister's cat. This is the bathroom. That is my mom's makeup. This is the baby's room. That is the baby's bear. This is the kitchen. That is my dad's smart fridge. This is the living room. That is my family's favorite place. My mom said hello to the babysitter. She said something. Mom said they'd be home soon. She said something. Dad said to be good. Dad said something. The babysitter told them not to worry. She told someone. Mom told her thank you. She told someone. Dad told me to listen and be good. Dad told someone. I told him not to worry. I told someone. Look, it's an eclipse. You look for a reason. Many went to see it for a short time. They watch it as it slowly darkens for a long time. Look, it's the Northern Lights. Look for a reason. We see this sometimes for a short time. People watch for hours for a long time. Look, so many butterflies, for a reason. We see them in Mexico for a short time. You can watch them huddle for hours. This is a long time.